What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky, and today we're going to learn how to play 10 songs using only 3 chords, which are A minor, F, and C. If you're like, Ricky, I know those chords, then just keep on watching and we're going to get straight into the play along. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started learning the uke, I don't know those chords, where to put my fingers on the uke for each chord, well, keep on watching till the end of the video. We're going to do a full detailed tutorial on where to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. That'll be at the end, so make sure to stick around for that. But also what I do want to quickly mention is that the 10 songs using 4 chords video is live on the channel already. I'll leave a link in the description and in the top of the comments. You guys are loving that video, so make sure to go check it out if you haven't already. It's basically just adding a G chord into the mix, but those are 10 different songs as well. But with that being said and done, let's go ahead and straight into the play along for this song of 10 songs using only 3 chords. In 3, 2, 1. I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that chick. Even when I'm crying crazy, yeah, I got boy problems, that's a human in me. Bling bling, then it's something that's a goddess in me. I'm men great till they got them being great. Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Truth hurts, needed something more exciting. Bum bum be dum bum babe. Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see. But darling, stay with me. I can't take it no more. Never felt like this before. Come on, get me on the floor. DJ, what you waiting for? Whoa, oh, 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 oh. See the sunlight, we ain't stopping. Keep on dancing till the world ends. If you feel it, let it happen. Keep on dancing till the world ends. Keep on dancing till the world ends. Rhiannon rings like a bell through the night, and who wouldn't love to love her? Takes to the sky like a bird in flight, and who wouldn't be a lover? All your life you've never seen no woman taken by the wind. Would you stay if she promised you heaven? Will you ever win? Will you ever win? How can you miss someone you never met? 'Cause I need you now, but I don't know you yet. But can you find me soon? 'Cause I'm in my head. Yeah, I need you now, but I don't know you yet. Oh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Feeling my way through the darkness, guiding by, I'm beating hard. I can tell where the journey will end, but I know where it starts. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Painted faces fill the places I can reach. You know that I could use somebody. You know that I could use somebody. Someone like you and all you know, how you speak. Countless lovers undercover on the streets. You know that I could use somebody. You know that I could use somebody. Someone like you. Oh, oh, oh. Ain't nobody hurt you like I hurt you. Ain't nobody love you like I do. Promise that I will not take it personal. Baby, if you're moving on with someone new. 'Cause baby, you look happier. One day I'll feel it too, and then I'll smile to hide the truth. I know I was happier with you. When you say you love me, no, I love you more. When you say you need me, no, I need you more. Boy, I adore you. I adore you. I adore you. We did it. Alright, so now we made it to the end of the video, meaning you want to see where to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. So let's go ahead and talk about that. The three chords that we need are A minor, F, and C. So how we're going to play the A minor chord, let's get straight into it. The A minor chord is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the top string, which is the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it's going to look like this, and it's going to sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the bottom string, which is the 1st string, 3rd fret. So it's going to look like this, and it should sound like this. And last but not least is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, like we did for the A minor chord, and then you're going to take your pointer finger and place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret, so it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. Those are the three chords that we need for this song. Again, A minor, C, and F. If you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to rewatch the sections of the chords that we just spoke about. But if you get those down, again, in the play along at the bottom of the play along video, we'll have the chord diagram, the strumming pattern, all that good stuff. Also, if you do want to go check out Patreon, I will have the full downloadable PDF, which is a printable of the entire chords and lyrics and chord graph. That will be on Patreon if you do want to go support. Link for this uke, which is a Leolani ukulele concert size. Highly recommend them. They're amazing. Hawaiian company, absolutely love it. I'll leave a link down below as well. And finally, links to all of the merch and also all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM, and let me know what you thought of this video. Let me know if you want me to do a part 2 or a 10 songs using only 2 chords, or 10 song chords, or whatever, 45 chords. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know. Again, make sure to check out the 10 songs using 4 chords video that is already live on the channel. Again, link down below. But that is it from me. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.